Alright guys, good evening. Welcome to D&D Breaks, where tonight we'll be breaking 5 mega boxes of the Select 2020-21 basketball. There are 32 cards per box. These have the red, white, and green cracked ice prisms in them. So the red, white, and green cracked ice. So we'll get started. If you missed any of the break or you'd like to see it again, it will be on my Instagram page right following the break. On my YouTube channel, DD Card Breaks, about 20 minutes or so after the break. We're going to be breaking a lot of Select this week. I'll be doing, I think, Tuesday 10 boxes, Wednesday 10 boxes. Towards the weekend, I'll be doing a case of the Blasters and 10 mega boxes. We have a lot of Select coming, so hopefully you could join us for that. Good luck to everybody Select basketball on this Saturday evening. I really like the Select. I like the Select football. Did a nice job with the basketball. So let's get going. See what we could get for you guys. Let's get some big hits here. Everybody's asking for a lot of stuff. Let's see what we can help you with. All right, RJ Hampton, Orlando. Evan Fournier, courtside, Boston. Sadiq Bey, cracked ice, Detroit. And Grant Rilla for the Hornets. I will penny sleeve all the rookies. Any of the big ones I will top load. So if I don't do it on camera, they will be done before they are sent out to you. So Detroit starts off Yemen with the Sadiq Bey. Cracked ice. Boston, another hit. Jason Tatum. Kenyon Martin. Houston. Anthony Towns. And Ben Simmons. Concourse. LaMelo. Try to get you some LaMelo, some Edwards, some Halliburton. All the big ones. LeBron. That's what we're looking for. Sabonis. Eric Gordon. Terrence Davis. Cracked ice. And a silver. Malachi Flynn, silver concourse for Toronto. And Ren, Malachi Flynn, silver. So we get our first silver of the night. Utah's looking for some Donovan Mitchell, so see what we could do for you. All right, Zach LaVine, Bulls. Devin Vassell, Spurs. A Toro, cracked ice. And Isaac Okoro, rookie selections for Cleveland. So Isaac Okoro rookie selection. So I gotta get these penny sleeves out of the package. So we got Daniel Latoro for the Clips and Chris. And Devin Vassell for Ren and the Spurs. So no big ones yet. We still have half the box to go, box one. Looking to get all the big ones. Come on. Five megas here tonight as we go with Bertans for Washington. Ron Hornet, Nick Richards, D'Angelo Russell, Minnesota, cracked ice, and Tyrell Terry, Dallas. Concourse. It's a silvery blue concourse for Dallas and Ryan. Come on, box one. Need to say, here we go. Emmanuel Quickly, New York Knicks, Atlantic Pro Shipping. That is a concourse. Porzingis, Isaac Okoro, cracked ice for Cleveland, and Dave, and an Art J. Barrett, green and purple. So a nice box for the Knicks there, and Atlantic Pro Shipping for the Knicks. Here we go. Two left, box one. Zion for New Orleans and Brad. That is a concourse. Terrence Davis. Cole Anthony. Cracked ice. Orlando and Trey. And Julius Randle. Knicks green and purple. So the Knicks having a nice little run here last couple of packs for Atlantic Pro Shipping. And the last pack, box one. Daniel Otero, Clippers, Chris Paul, Phoenix, De'Aaron Fox, Kings, cracked ice, and a Zion cracked ice numbers. Green and red Zion numbers for New Orleans and Brad. Alright, so box 1 is complete. None of the big ones yet. Still have 4 boxes to go. Come on. Nice group of cracked ice and some rookies, but we're still waiting on the big ones. Alright, next 32. Let's go. Select. Alright, Siakam, Kyle Lowry, courtside, Toronto, Clippers, Zubac, cracked ice, and Utah, Joe Ingles. Wasn't a Mitchell, but see if we get a Donovan here for you soon. Terry Rozier, James Wiseman, Golden State, and Jordan for the concourse wide, and a Toro cracked ice. And Brandon Ingram. So we get our first James Wiseman for the Warriors. Vukovic. Isaiah Stewart, Premier Level. D'Angelo Russell again, cracked ice. And a Silva Kemba Walker for Boston and Parker. So a Silva Walker. So halfway home, box 2. Pokusevski, OKC. There we go for David, and that is a concourse. CJ Ellaby, Portland. Anthony Edwards, cracked ice, Minnesota, Premier Level, I believe. Yes, it is, Premier Level. First one for Lance. Finally get a hit there. And Zion turbocharged. So box 2, better than the first one. Anthony Edwards, red, green, cracked ice. Let me top load that for you right now. Minnesota and Lance. So we get Lance's out there. Pokusevski. Got a nice Zion turbocharge. So a nice pack right there. I'm not sure on the Megas. I did get some out of the Blasters, but I'm not sure if I pulled any out of the Megas yet. Pulled a nice Larry Bird out of the Blasters about a week and a half or so. But I believe those were definitely the Blasters, so I'm not sure on the Megas. Jokic, Collins, Cole Anthony, correct ice. Tobias Harris, Philly. We're doing 2 cases of the Blasters within the next week, so hopefully you'll join us for that. Kara Lewis, Pelicans. De'Aaron Fox, cracked ice, and a green and purple Patrick Williams. That is a concourse for Chicago. Green and purple Williams for the Bulls. Alright, last 2, box 2. Duncan Robinson, Siku, Josh Green, Dallas, cracked ice, and Alexander, OKC, green and purple. So OKC, that is for David. Alright, last pack, box 2, Zabuke, Utah, concourse, Anthony Davis, Malachi Flynn, cracked ice, and Jimmy Butler numbers. That looks like it is a silver for Miami. So Miami, Jimmy Butler numbers. Malachi Flynn for Toronto, and Ren. And Miami was Ren as well. So nice one there for you, Ren. All right, box 3. Edwards, cracked ice, the big one so far. Let's see if we can add on to that. Still waiting for our first LaMelo. So let's see what we can get in box number 3. Box 3, select basketball. We start out with Bogdanovich for Atlanta. Devin Booker, Klay Thompson, Warriors, cracked ice. Terrell Terry, Dallas. Bam. Okongwu, Atlanta Concourse. Jalen Smith, cracked ice, Phoenix. And Maxey, Philly. Rookie selections, Philly and Ren. So multiple teams get multiple hits. Yes, 2 Anthony's already for Orlando. Damian Lillard, Portland. Devin Booker, courtside. Donovan Mitchell, there we go, cracked ice, Utah. Trevor, you were looking for a Donovan Mitchell as a cracked ice for you. And Emmanuel Quickly, Premier Level. New York Knicks. Atlantic Pro Shipping. So Atlantic Pro Shipping, keep it going with the Knicks. Got the Donovan Mitchell cracked ice. Let's go. Box 3. Tyrese Maxey, Philly. Kemba, Boston. Grant Rilla, cracked ice. LaMarcus Aldridge, Brooklyn. Maxey going to Ren and the Sixers. Yes, there was a couple Zions. I just don't remember which ones. But we did definitely get a couple Zions already. Xavier Tillman, Memphis. Kira Lewis, Pelicans. That is a Premier Level. Nurkic, cracked ice. And Silva, Kevin Love. Silva for Cleveland. And the Cavs. 3 to go, box 3. Ingram, Pelicans. Harris, Philly. Mitchell Robinson, Knicks, cracked ice. Silva, R.J. Hampton, Orlando. So rookie selections. So Orlando and Trey with the Silva, R.J. Hampton selections. 2 to go. Waiting for some of the big boys to come. Come on, Ben Simmons. Julius Randle, Knicks. Dejounte Murray, cracked ice. Oladipo, Houston. Last pack, box 3. Let's go. Tyrell Terry for the 3rd time. Aldridge. Killian Hayes, Detroit, cracked ice. And Russell Westbrook. Wizards, green and purple. So Ren and Yemen with Detroit. All right, so we're down 3. We have 2 to go. 64 cards. We get a sip of water here. All right, 2 to go. Come on, let's finish up strong here. 5 megas. Tuesday, Wednesday, 10 and 10. Blasters. Weekend, 10 megas. And a full case of the Blasters. So, a lot of select. Probably some Donruss football next week as well. Some Prism basketball. Cello box. Also going to be breaking. Alright, Ja Morant, Memphis. VanVleet, courtside. Gallinari, Atlanta. Cracked ice. Rudy Gobert, Utah. Utah Jazz, R.J. Hampton, Orlando, Jason Tatum, VanVleet, cracked ice, courtside, Toronto, nice one there, Houston, Oladipo, Kenyon Martin, Houston, Lonzo Ball, wrong ball, Devontae Murray, Spurs, and a silver Marcus Smart, Boston. Boston, Parker, Marcus Smart, silver. I think that is the second Celtic silver tonight. All right, come on. Sabonis, Levine, Colin Sexton, Cleveland, cracked ice. And Trae Young, Select Company, Atlanta on the board. Chris in Atlanta. Box 4, halfway home. Come on. Devin Vassell, Spurs. Zeke Naji, Denver. Bledsoe, Pelicans. Isaac Okoro, Cleveland. It's Okoro's here tonight. We have 3 left. Box 4, Batons. Emmanuel Quickly, courtside. Knicks. Killian Hayes, Detroit. Premier level, cracked ice. And Dragic, green and purple for the Heat. So we get a Hayes for Detroit. Yemen. And Emmanuel Quickly again. The Knicks. Atlantic Pro Shipping. Alright, so 2 to go, box 4. Porzingis, Brooke Lopez, Aaron Naismith, cracked ice, Boston for Parker, and Jamal Murray, Denver, green and purple for Denver and Tim. Jamal Murray, green and purple. Our last pack, come on. Box 4, Zion Concourse, New Orleans. The second Concourse, New Orleans for Brad. We got Chris Paul, John Wall, cracked ice. And a Joel Embiid, green Select Company, cracked ice. Joel Embiid, Philly and Ren. So we are down to our last box. Only got 1 Edwards, cracked ice so far. Put it back in the middle for the big ones. Come on, we still got 32 cards to go. Need a big hitter here. Come on, the Hornets need something. Let's go. All right, there we go. Last 8. Desmond Bain, Memphis, Patty Mills, Carmelo Blazers, cracked ice, and Jordan Nwora, rookie selections for Milwaukee and the Bucks. Don't Giannis or LeBron's yet either as well. And the big boys, that is a silver Nwora, looks like. All right, Andrew Wiggins. James Wiseman, courtside, Golden State. There we go. Jordan, courtside, Golden State. Kyle Lowry and Tim Hardaway Jr. So a nice courtside, Golden State Wiseman. A second Wiseman of the evening. I'll put them all down Anthony for now. All right, pack 3. Patrick Williams, Bulls, Dragic, Minnesota, Campazzo, cracked ice, and LeBron James. There we go, Lakers, Concourse with the shiny blue LeBron. Lakers for Dylan. So we do get a LeBron here for you. About halfway, box 5. Sadiq Bey, Devin Booker, Tyrese Halliburton, Premier Level, cracked ice. There we go, Sacramento. And a silver courtside, Tyler Hero for Miami. So a nice pack right there, silver courtside, Ren. And a Halliburton, Sacramento for Christie. Cracked ice, Premier Level. So box 5 is picking up here a little bit. Get these leaves over here. All right, 4 to go. Anthony Towns, Satoro, R.J. Barrett, cracked ice, Knicks and numbers, Jokic, Denver. So another Nick, cracked ice, R.J. Barrett, New York, Atlantic Pro Shipping. D'Angelo Russell, Kira Lewis, Saban Lee, cracked ice, and Precious for Miami. 2 left. Thank you for joining us on this Saturday evening. Again, a lot of select break coming up during the week. A lot of it's already posted, more to come. Cole Anthony, Orlando, having a nice one. Norman Powell, cracked ice. And green and purple, Cameron Johnson, Phoenix. Phoenix, Cameron Johnson. Last pack, come on. Malachi Flynn, Julius Randle, Brandon Clark, cracked ice, and Kawhi Leonard, Clippers. So, we did not get any LaMelos, but we did get some Premier level cracked ice. Anthony Edwards, Halliburton, Premier level cracked ice. James Wiseman, courtside. Some of the ones I just sleeved. Again, I didn't sleeve all of them, but Noah, Green, Embiid, Naismith, cracked ice. Quickly, Killian Hayes, Premier level cracked ice. Trae Young, Marcus Smart, Silver, Killian Hayes, cracked ice. Westbrook, green and purple. R.J. Hampton, silver selections. Maxey, Utah, Donovan Mitchell, cracked ice. Quickly, Premier. Tyrese Maxey selections. Malachi Flynn, cracked ice. Pokacheski, Smart, silver. Wiseman, concourse. Zion, green, cracked ice, numbers. Julius Randle, green and purple. Quickly, R.J. Barrett, green and purple. Terry, Vassell, Atoro, cracked ice. Some of the rookies now. Malachi Flynn, silver. Sadiq Bey, cracked ice. R.J. Hampton, cracked ice. LeBron and Tyler Hero, courtside. So thank you for being with us, guys. Again, I'll be posting the breaks in a few minutes. If you missed any of it or you want to see it again, select basketball next week. 40 blaster boxes, at least 15 megas. Look for it on my eBay site. It's already posted. I will be posting more. So thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. D&D breaks.